Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj. Wednesday, June 2nd, 1999, 8 am. You say that you value these messages and you draw the quintessence thereof. They represent a teaching for you who want to take no chances. They are not intended for the majority of the Abhasis who consider this kind of effort as completely superfluous. I am a piece of raw wood. Master must shape me into a masterpiece. That's all. This is the generally widespread frame of mind in the mission. It is an attractive but not very realistic idea. It is also a reality since it's only Master's irreplaceable work that can make you advance. Do not believe that this inner transformation does not also require an unfailing spiritual practice and an unremitting work on yourselves. Your willingness to change your way of being by observing your behavior strictly is necessary. One does not go without the other. This state of mind makes you consent, your heart opens up to grace. You are eager to receive and you prepare yourself to become worthy of this change which takes place inside you. The Master can do everything. Yes, he can do a lot, but not in spite of yourself. The absence of will and perseverance delays your progress. Work on yourself. Be malleable. If we insist so much, it is because it is important for you to know it. The souls that are ready understand that. You can get an idea of yourself by looking at the way you react to our comments. Accept our criticisms as blessings. They represent our interest in you. If you accept them with gratitude, that shows that you are no longer under the absolute domination of this little master, your ego. Continue to work on all levels. Carry it out on the go. Do not follow the others. Be in the pack, but the leading pack. Be strong. Do not neglect anything that might help you. Do not lose sight of the purpose of the journey. Be vigilant and as we love to say, be lions, not sheep. Babuji. Wednesday, June 2nd, 1999, 10 am. The conclusion of all that has been said is that there are two possible roads to follow. The choice is yours. You can either stroll around as you see fit, thus considering yourself fortunate. For you, life is long and should be enjoyed, or take no chances by not resting on your mere assets. Not everyone can belong to the elite. Except for very special cases, we grant to each one of you the same opportunities. It's up to you to make sure that what you receive grows. We have alluded to the leading pack. It sets the pace and leads those who can follow it. We are proceeding in our comments slowly, bit by bit, so as not to frighten the weakest. You should know that you all receive the same care and our tenderness. We want to take you along without distinction towards the greatest possible success. Surrender completely to the Master. Offer to him your great forces without any least resistance, as well as a soil ready to receive the divine seed. Be blessed, Babuji.